Hello everyone, and as promised I thought I'd make a thermal fuse. Right, this I'm going to make out of spare parts. I have just two leads which are old leads from a GHD. They come from the swivel joint, and basically cut off the swivel joint. But I use the leads because they're a nice Teflon, heat resistant, coated, and it's got the crimp on. The actual shell is recovered from a GHD, and I've just scraped out the old fuse. I have the fuse here. It's just a 228 degrees C. As you see, I've bent it over, chopped it off, and we're going to use a soldering method for doing this. And I hear a lot of you say the solder will just melt at these temperatures, but this is a high melting point solder. It's got a melting point of 227, so if the solder junctions do melt, the fuse should have went anyway. So either way, this fuse will cut the power and save the device. Right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to tin the ends here. This solder's not quite as nice as my usual leaded solder, and you have to run the iron a tad bit warmer. And now what I'll do is I'll tin the thermal fuse. Now what I want to do is I want to keep I don't want to go stick to the underside, I want to stick to the top side. So let's just melt them together like that. And the same here. I can get away with a little more heat on this one because it's obviously not on the body of thermal fuse. Right, that looks quite nice. Right, now with that done, I can remove that from here, and let's refocus the microscope. Come on, get in. Have to just shave that one a bit, or maybe just heat it. Maybe that will. Boom! Hot fingers! Right, yeah, that's it. We've got that. Just make sure that's fully down, as you can see there. Right, the fuse is in place. Now what I use is just a ceramic glue, you know, an exhaust glue or any high temperature glue. I mean, you could even, I don't know, never tried it, but maybe something like tiling grout could help you out. Right, so get out of it, airballs. I mean, anything that's good for like 200 plus will be good for this. So. Alright, now all I do is basically let that dry. because I've used this type of glue, that will sit and dry for a day or so. Then generally I will put them in the oven at about 60-70 degrees C, sometimes higher, just to make sure they're dry before wrapping them. So there it is, one fuse all done.